Well, hello there. Welcome to Claudia Leah Design in Naples, Florida. And today we're looking at wallpaper. It's that magic thing that comes off the roll, goes up onto your wall, and can make the room from now to wow in pretty much a day. So these are some new designs that Jema Brown brought to us. She is licensing under Daisy Bennett, but the papers are done by Jema Brown. And this is some of her newest things, and we are loving all the colors, we're loving all the patterns. I actually can't wait to put this big banana leaf pattern into my own office. Jema, can we make that happen?
Yes.
So we are just in awe of how detailed these papers are, how beautiful they will look on your wall. So please consider wallpaper in one of your next projects, and if you would like some assistance to pick the right one for you, then go to claudia.decoratingden.com or give us a call, 239-431-5936. Thank you so much.